you're doing like that? You're taking video while playing.
It's not video. It's for your channel. It's for channel. So the phone. Ma, close it. Brother. I'm really so sensitive. Bro, this is so spent a lot of time on this deck, so if you should follow, don't make IT boost or even just regret, it would really make me happy. Thanks. Maybe he's gonna poop. Maybe he's gonna poop. Why don't you poop? Why did I have to? Why did she have to? I cannot go out. Wait. Wait, I used the poop for the cat? Ew. Dang. No. Maybe I will get... What is it? I just did it. It's actually one thing. Bro, we just have a lot. Can I have it? That was scariest, but okay.
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia, w głowie myśli mam.
Ending 2 bomb.
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam. Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram.
What?
Tylko jedno w głowie mam.
Ending. Bad ending, good. Bad ending, good ending, worst ending, bad ending, next ending, evil ending. They are
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram,
what?
tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam. Tylko jedno w głowie mam, tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram,
Whoa! Ending. Ale?
Tylko jedno w głowie mam. Koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. W głowie myśli mam, kiedy skończę tam, gdy już nie będę sam. Jedzie biały Tylko jedno w głowie mam. Koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę.
Break in ending.
Tylko jedno w głowie mam. Koksu 5 gram, Tylko jedno w głowie mam. Koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. W głowie myśli. Tylko jedno w głowie mam. Koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. W głowie myśli mam. Jeden sam, gdy już nie będę. Tylko jedno w głowie mam. Koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam. Tylko jedno w głowie mam. Koksu 5 gram. Tylko jedno w głowie mam. Koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam.
Do another game. Come on. Bro, this is so okay. Booger. 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 Booger.
He cancelled, and since it has done with the customer and the secretary, can you please step up for us?
How many rocks did you find?
Yes, thank you so much, Alice. Thank you so much, Alice.
I have to find every single citizen in this game called Roblox Find Citizen. So when I join it, it looks just like Springfield, where the Simpsons live. But guys, there's 285 citizens that I have to find. Some are easier to find than others. So the easiest ones are probably here in the center. We got Statue O Jebediah, and then right next to the sign we have Sad Bart. Guys, I wasn't allowed to watch Simpsons as a kid. I had to grow up, so if I don't know some of these, then I'm sorry. But we got Equilibrium, Yeah. And then an ice skating Bart over here. And I think I forgot this guy's name. It's Dr. Hibbert. Sorry, guys. Wait, look on top of the leaderboard up here. There's a skating Bart. Give me that. Tricks Bart. I'm gonna try my best to pronounce every single one of these. Like Eddie, he's over here at the police station. And then at the elementary school, who's this? Oh, he's the principal. Seymour Skinner, I think? Oh, God, I forget the bully's name. Oh, Nelson. That's right. Nelson Munt. He was also by the school, but right here next to the church, we have Roller Smithers. And then we have a news reporter right here. Kent Brockman. Yeah, God, I feel like a lot of Simpsons lovers are gonna hate me. Frank Grimes. Pretty sure that's your name. What's upstairs? Oh, hello there. Lenny Leonard. Yes, I totally knew that one. And what's up here? Oh, okay, looks like we got a toxic waste cardboard. Oh, how do I get you? Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Roller Smithers. Let's go up again. Need radioactive tea. Okay, well, I'll just go in here then. Oh, hello there. Can I grab? Oh, is this Homer? Homer sits. And then if we leave and go here, oh, we got radioactive Homer donut trap. Yep. And there's nothing else. Okay, I'll come back when I have that radioactive tea. Oh, Homer Hulk, where were you? Yes, I didn't see him. Sometimes I accidentally run into Simpsons without even knowing it, so that might happen a few times, but if I jump up here, I see Monster Burns. He was trying to hide in that building, and who's up there on top of that garbage, huh? I'm gonna climb up there and get you. Oh, it's a crazy cat lady. Okay, well, I got her, and I also see Homer right here. What is he? Trash Homer. Yes. Oh, I see you in the ground, Maggie. Snowy Maggie. What? I don't know how that's snow. Maybe that's just her outfit. And then I see Bart and Milhouse right here. Perfect. Okay, there's a needle down here. I might need that. Wait. Oh, if you click it, you get sent into a lab. I'm gonna just... Oh, okay, don't step on that. Select this guy, Nick Rivera. And what's around the corner? Homer, Angel, and Demon. Oh my goodness, why is there a heart on the table? I don't like this. I'm out of here. Goodbye. Okay, I can see Bart rolling down this hill right here. What's your name? Bicycle Bart. Of course. And also on this side of the hill, I see two more people. Bart Smithers dog.
I not sure you.
Okay, let's go to the bank. I already see dog. Oh, it's his dog. And then I see you in the car right here. Steve Drag. Okay, what's on top of this fountain? Huh? There's a ring. Oh, what? Do I hold this down? Oh, listen to take bread, ice cream, ring, and plus. Okay, so let's find those other three things then. In the meantime, I might as well go inside of the bank. What's this? Oh,
Hello, sir. Good evening. Duty ka na? Duty ka na? Yung tinatanong ko na, andito eh. Ano ba?
Daan ka na dito. Daanan mo dito.
Ano?
Oh, you brush your teeth? Remember your teeth is hurt? Go, sir.
Ngayon na. Bagal-bagal eh.
Brush your teeth na. Ay, nako.
But what if you're not brushing teeth?
Ay, don't kirate pa ya. Your teeth is... Your toothbrush is there. Parang...
Ano mo gusto mo? Siyempre, pala ang loob mo, no? Sige, kaya na ba nga natin? Dito na natin. Para magkaalaman agad. Ano? Huwag na pa... Ayan! Huwag na patagalin to, ano?
Diretso embassy na tayo.
Diretso na embassy. Oh, wala.
Kailangan daw niya yung numero niya.
Kailangan pala
I-presenta namin dito ang mga motif, no?
Tandaan mo ba, 6 months lang sa numar, may expired na yan.
Sige. Sige na,
Buti yung, sabagay, may expired na talaga yung ano. 6 months lang. Kasi siyempre, balay mo, pinasal ka na pala. Ang ngayon pa naman Kuya Anyong, dito sa Middle East, right? Buong Middle East, kapag ikakasal, pinuposto nila sa Facebook. Di ba, Pino? Oo, kasi nga, maraming nakasal dito, tapos meron pala sa Pinas na ano. Kahit walang asawa, kumbaga merong mga anak ano, sa Pilipinas, oo. Kaya pinuposto nila ngayon. Parang kasi natuto, ano? Parang nauuto nila.
Taga Sambong kayo, di ba?
Hindi na kaya. Gami mo. Yung sabi mo. Tama na
Lambot ng lupa, oh.
Tama na.
Paalam ka na dun sa tirahan mo dong. Para...
Sabi mo mag-asawa ka na.
Hindi. Ayun na. Wait, guys. Ayoko na lang ako Rochi. Kung mabago ka na naman ang course.
Anong water?
Hindi. Parang dami yung pinakain na pera. Hindi ka. Gusto ko itong explain na to eh. Bakit mo ako? Ganon. Ikaw, magandang influensya ka ba sa anak mo? O nadadamay mo lang siya sa mga
Ay,
panahon?
smell bad. Di ba siya play outside eh. Oh, wash your body na. Then brush your teeth. Oh, yun.
Mag-asawa ka na.
Hindi pa nga na doktor na, hindi sila walagyan.
Uy, madali na ang doktrina ngayon. Madali na ang doktrina ngayon.
Smell good. Smell tuta. Smell you.
Tapos sa baril na.
Smell tuta.
Ang ano, doktrina. Ang batis ko pala. Ito ng baril.
Nandito kami para pagkita ka.
Sagot naman ng mga ano.
Hindi may akay ka na.
Hindi yun, di ba? Sagot ng...
Sagot ng
lokal, di ba?
Pero yung kasama, hindi.
Oo.
Ano kasi natin itong pag-usapan, di ba? Hindi ako, paggulo-gulo
Ang bawat
Oo.
Tara na, buti pa, bigyan mo na natin sila ng mga kasi ka na.
100 pesos. Ayan, alcohol. Ayan o, halaan.
Ang laki.
Halaan
Laki
yan.
ng halaan nila. Oo nga eh.
Bilpil.
Kara David. Yung asawa niya si Man eh. Yung ang laki ng tiyan niya. Siya ba yung nag-wish na yung sa mga politiko? Siya ba yun?
Alcohol. Ayun. Oh, yun doon. Pero, tatawanan nila, ano, kaya nahuli sila yung
Captain Nacho. It's your Lucky Crunch. Ngayon, mag-parking ka na lang doon pag interview ka. Agad-agad yung decision mo na.
Malaki na daw sa hotel doon.
Sabi yung ibang buhay.
Tama nga, mag-stay ka naman, di ba?
Hindi yung pupunta. Totoo pala talaga. Ginagawa ni AJ lahat para sirain dito. Ang hirap na walaan mo.
Ikaw na HRM major and
Matagal na galit si AJ kay Skoy. Kasi gusto niya mawala ng kapamilya. Pero bakit parang gusto niya gagalit? Kapag lahat tayo nagduda kay Skoy, madali niya lang itong pabagsakin. Kaya pala lahat ng issue dati. Siya yung unang nagpapaalala. Pagpilit niyang pinapakita na hindi totoong nagbahagi ko niya pa talaga. Kaya gawin niya ito. Matagal nang galit si MJ kay Skoy kasi gusto niya mawala ng kakapit. Pero bakit parang gusto niya gagalit? Kapag lahat tayo nagduda kay Skoy, madali niya lang itong pabagsakin. Kaya pala lahat ng issue dati. Siya yung unang nagpapaalala. Pagpilit niyang pinapakita na hindi totoong nagbago si Skoy. Oo, parang gusto niyang patunayan na masama pa rin si Skoy kahit anong gawin niya. Ang sakit lang isipin, nasariling kapatid niya pang pumila sa kanya, kuha. Pero, napapansin niyo ba? Kahit Uy, Nani.
Naka? Sabi niya nakakalating daw yun eh.
Kapag sinisiraan siya,
Diba?
puno ang tulad niya. Pero ngayon, parang mas pinipili niya ng manahimik. Yun yung
Kasi
kinakatakutan
hilaw
ko.
eh.
Wala eh. Ganun ba yung nagot yung nararamdaman niya eh.
That ice cream with
Habang pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya, mas talo siya sinapatan sa lahat.
ice cream with not circle bread. It's not circle eh.
Dahil hindi lang kalaban sa mga, ang problema niya, kundi pati sarili niya buo.
Nice na bread. Doon, nanonood ng...
Kala ko ano yung baon-baon.
Talagyan ka ng ano yan, ng Nutella.
Tela, sarap.
Breadstick.
Nirerep pa nga, di ba?
Pretzel pala. Ferrero.
Kaarero kasi.
Nilagyan ng ano, ng Nutella.